In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for free step by step. If you're new to the platform, this quick guide will help you start using Claude without paying. To begin, I'll open my web browser and go to claude.ai. Once the page loads, I'll click Continue with Google to sign in. After that, I'll select my Google account from the list and confirm the login. Claude will then take me to the account setup screens. If this is my first time signing in, I may need to review the terms and click Create Account to continue. Next, Claude may show the plans page with options like Free, Pro, and Max. Since I want to use Claude for free, I'll select the free plan by clicking Use Claude for free. After that, Claude may display a short welcome screen explaining how the assistant works. I'll click I understand to continue. Next, Claude might ask what it should call me. I'll type my name into the field and click the arrow button to continue. Then Claude may ask about my interests. I'll select a few topics that match what I want to use Claude for, and then click Let's Go. After completing these steps, I'll be taken to the Claude dashboard, where I can start chatting with the AI. From here, I can type a message in the chat box at the bottom of the screen and ask Claude questions, generate content, summarize documents, or get help with tasks. I can also upload files by clicking the plus icon next to the message box, which allows Claude to analyze documents, images, or PDFs. And that's it. I'm now using Claude AI for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.